Okay guys, so I'm sitting here printing out my first print on the Cetus 3D printer. You can see I have my PLA, my blue PLA back here. And I decided to try and print this octopus, which is kind of cool. He's about 3/4 of the way done. And just to give you an idea, I started this at about 7 a.m. and right now it's about 2:20 p.m. So this has been going 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. This has been about 7 hours so far. So that's just to give you an idea how long one print takes. But you can see they're very cool. The detail and everything's very good, and I'm pretty impressed with this little guy. He's got his lights blinking, USB is plugged in, you know, pretty good. The spool gets a little messy once in a while, but not bad. Okay, thought I'd give you a quick look at what I got going on. Fun stuff. All right, aloha.